1282. Here I will tell you about Sleeping Beauty. Let's get into the story. There was once a king and the queen who waited a long time to have a child. When at last the queen gave birth to a baby girl, they were so excited that they held a big party to celebrate her christening. The king and the queen invited all 7 fairies in the entire kingdom, who came with very special present for the baby. The king had sold gold-plated knife and fork made for time. But there was a fairy who had been forgotten. She came stamping into the castle. Quickly the servant laid a place for her at the table, but the flat knife and fork, even made of gold, one of the younger fairies, sensing trouble, had a sign it was time to give the present. The first fairy gave the princess of the beauty. The second gave cold temper. The third gave grace. The fourth gave a wonderful singing voice. The 5 and 6 fairy bestowed gift of dance and music. Then the angry fairy said, "And when she is 16, she will break her finger and die." Imagine everyone's horror. But the younger fairy in hiding came out and said, "She will not die. She fall asleep, and so will the court after 100 years. Our friends will wake up our little princess with a kiss." The next day, the king banned all needles from the kingdom, but when the princess was 16, she stumbled across a secret hiding case in the castle. At the top was a woman spinning at the wheel the princess had never seen. A spinning wheel, and when they touched it, immediately the spindle sparkled her finger and she fell down. Her present found her and laid her on the bed in the castle. Then they fall asleep too, along with the servant, cats, and dog. 100 years had passed when a younger prince found a huge head of 30 roses. As the dog then will his sword, they sprang apart. Beneath the hedge was a castle. The prince went inside and found everyone fast asleep. The princess roamed towards the castle until they found the room where the princess lay. He bent down and kissed the sleeping beauty. Princess smiled and sat up, astonished to find the prince there. The prince and the princess soon fall in love. Meanwhile, everyone in the castle was dreaming. The wicked fairy spell was broken at last, and as for the prince and princess, they lived happy ever after. Yeah, that's the story of Sleeping Beauty. Sorry if I made a mistake because I am also studying. That is all, and thank you. Bye.